guys, welcome back. John here, 1984 Barbecue. Tonight we're going to be doing a pork chop video collaboration with several YouTube channels. Cooking with James invited me on this one. So we're going to be doing some thick bone-in pork chops. We're going to be seasoning them tonight with some Code 3 spices. One of them with some Code 3 spices. This is their sweet and zesty. If you haven't tried these guys, some of the proceeds go to the police, fire, military, and EMS. I'll leave a link in the description box if you're interested. And then we're going to be trying this new one that I've got. Meat Church's Honey Bacon Barbecue. It's a limited edition one. We're going to give this a shot on one of these pork chops tonight. I'm not going to do your standard pork chops, man. Everybody just puts them on the grill. You know, we're going to be on the grill. We're going to be on our Weber kettle tonight. But we're not going to be doing normal grilling. I'm not frying pork chops. We're going to be doing them on the rotisserie. And this rotisserie basket that I got at Menards. I have to walk by and see it. So we're going to give this a shot. We're going to put our pork chops on here. We're going to put them on the rotisserie. We'll see what happens, guys. It's Pork Chop Monday. Here we go. Welcome back. Got our basket placed. Got our coals in there. We're going to go ahead and get our beautiful chops on there. I don't know if you see those. Look how thick they are. Get thick chops, guys. Alright, we're going to go ahead and get our chops in here. So we're just going to lay that one right there. We're going to lay this one right like that. Okay. I've never used this before, guys, so I'm not really sure how this is going to turn out. So I'm going to go ahead and take these gloves off real quick. Now what you want to do is with this basket is we're going to take our thing here, the lid, and we're going to squeeze these ends just like so until you get them on the chop where they won't move. There. There, that one's in. That one's in. That one's in. They are secured. They are secured. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys spinning. Here. Alright, we got our chops spinning. I'm going to throw in some wood chips. Some Jack Daniels wood chips for some smoke. I let these soak in some water prior to, so we're going to throw just a couple of chips on there to give us some smoke. Alright, guys. Alright, we're going to get the lid on these. We're going to let these go for a while. I'll bring you back when they're almost done. It's been 20 minutes. Look at that. I hope you guys can see that. We'll bring it in for you a little bit there. Look at that color on them chops. Man, oh man. We're going to turn these off here. See what we got. Use our thermal pop here. Look. Oh yeah, 152. That's a little more than I thought would be done already. Oh yeah, these things are definitely done. Guys, this took like 20 minutes. Alright, we're going to get these chops off. We're going to let them rest. Bring it back for the taste. There it is. Let's cut into this bad boy. Let's see where the bone's at. Bone's right there. Alright, let's cut into this bad boy and see what we got here. Yeah, buddy. I don't know if you guys can make that out. Let's see here. my camera won't focus in correctly. But that's really juicy, guys. There's just juice just running in there. Alright, that rotisserie did its job. Let's do a taste test time. I don't know if you can see that, but it's extremely, it really is juicy. Let's see if I can, look at that juice, just, it's in there, guys. And now, honey bacon barbecue rub, that's what we used on this, because I haven't tried it. I've had the 5-0 and it's really good, so I decided to try this one. So here we go. Mmm. Mmm. Guys, that is phenomenal. It's just your ordinary pork chop, you know, thick cut. I got it at my Kroger store. We put this bad boy on the rotisserie in that basket. Guys, that basket worked just fine. It was great. It was only like, I think, 12 bucks or something at Menards. If you find yourself one, get one. I'll try to put a link down there to find, you know, if there's one you can get it at. But that honey bacon barbecue that Meat Church has got out, oh man, great flavor. The pork chop was juicy. Just your simple average cook, and it took 20 minutes on the Weber kettle the way I had it set up. 20 minutes and this sucker was done, and it's still juicy. Guys, this has been fun doing this collaboration. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, welcome back. All my social media links will be down in the description box. You guys have a great night.